Well, hello, this is Dave, and just wanted to talk to you a little bit about. You've been out prospecting, you found a prospect, and you show them your business plan. It gets to a certain point, they say, "Oh, wait, Dave, this network marketing or multi-level marketing." It kind of puts you on the spot, and you really don't know what to say. And they say, "Oh, I've been involved. I don't want to do that." And so I want to tell you a little story. Maybe you can come up with your own story to tell, and it might help you out. I kind of enjoy telling it. Mary, I always pick on Mary, and she's pretty good natured about it. But Mary, she goes to Walmart. She's looking for some blue nail polish, and Walmart don't have any. So she goes down to Dave's Boutique down on the corner, okay, of Dave and Main down there. And she goes into Dave's Boutique, and she says, "Dave, do you have any blue nail polish?" And Dave says, "Well, Mary, matter of fact, I got a whole case in today. It's right over there, royal blue on the second shelf over there." So Mary goes over there and she says, "Royal blue, man, I really like that. I'll take 2 bottles." So Mary buys 2 bottles of royal blue nail polish. Well, she goes back to work, shows all her friends her nails, and they all love it. They say, "Mary, where did you get that royal blue nail polish?" She says, "Well, I went down there at corner Dave and Main at Dave's Boutique, and I got this down there." So 5 of her friends, they go down to Dave's Boutique, and they buy the whole case of nail polish, royal blue nail polish. It's the prettiest stuff they've ever seen. Okay, and that weekend, Saturday comes, and Mary, she goes on down there to Dave's Boutique, and she goes in. She says, "Dave, 5 of my friends come down here, and they bought you out of that royal blue nail polish." He says, "Yeah, I appreciate that." She says, "Well, I'm down here to collect my commission." Well, Dave says, "Mary, this is a retail store. We don't pay commissions." Mary says, "What? But I referred 5 people, and they bought the whole case of nail polish." And Dave says, "Well, thank you, Mary. I appreciate that, but this is retail. Appreciate your business, appreciate your referrals, but you don't get a commission." Folks, that's the difference between retail and network marketing. In network marketing, if you do the work, you get the commission. Okay? MLM, same thing. You do the work, you make the referrals, you get the commission. People say, "Man, I just don't want to do that. Somebody else is getting all the money." Well, Dave's Boutique just proved that if you're a retail business, they don't pay commissions. Okay, look at your network marketing opportunity in a whole new light just based on this video. Good night.